Assalamu alaikum dear students. Our today's lecture is about mathematics class 5th. We will start from unit number 4, fractions. First of all, I will tell you what is fraction and then I will tell you about the types of fraction. I have another book and you will write all these definitions on your neat notebooks as well. Listen, what is fraction? When we write 3 divided by 5, 3 divided by 5, 3 is called numerator. 3 is called numerator and 5 is called denominator. 3, the value which is at the upper side, this is called numerator, and this is division bar. 3 divided by 5, this is division bar, and 5 is called denominator. Now there are 4 types of fractions. First type is unit fraction. First type is unit fraction. When we will define it, we will define fractions that represent one whole are called unit fractions. Fraction that represent one whole are called unit fraction. Let's say 2 divided by 2. Numerator and denominator are same. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. When we will cancel it, our answer will be 1. 10 divided by 10, 10 ones are 10, 10 ones are 10, one answer. 17 divided by 17, one answer. This is called unit fraction. When numerator and denominator are same, then we will call it unit fractions. Second type of fraction is mixed fraction. A mixed fraction has a whole number and a fraction. Let's say 1 by 2 is a mixed fraction. 1 is whole number and this 1 by 2 is a fraction. It is the combination of two things. 1 is whole number and 1 by 2 is fraction. These two, when joined together, they form mixed fractions. 1 by 2. Let's say you can also write 1, 2 by 3, 5, 7 by 12. These all are mixed fractions. Now, our third type is improper fractions. A fraction with a numerator greater than the denominator is called improper fraction. A fraction with a numerator greater than denominator. Let's say 3 by 2. 3 is greater than 2. Numerator is greater than denominator. This is called improper fraction. 3 by 2, 7 by 3, 9 by 5, these all are called improper fractions. Proper fraction is a fraction with a numerator smaller than its denominator is called proper fraction. Numerator smaller than its denominator. Let's say numerator is 2, denominator is 5, numerator is smaller. 3 over 8, 7 over 11, 1 over 2. All the denominators are greater than numerators. These are called proper fractions. These 4 types of fractions: unit fraction, mixed fraction, improper fraction, and proper fraction. Now we will move towards the exercise of unit 4. Unit 4 fractions, and this is the first exercise of this unit 4, and the requirement is place the following in the correct jars. 10 values are given and 4 jars are given: proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction, and unit fraction. You will write like this. You will form a jar on your notebooks and you will write like this. Let's say when you will write proper fractions, when you will write proper fraction, this will be your answer. Proper fraction: 5 by 15, 2 by 5, 1 by 3, 1 over 9. All the denominators are greater than numerators, therefore these are called proper fractions. Improper fraction: 16 over 7, here numerator is greater than denominator. Mixed fractions: those values which have whole number. 7 is whole number and 5 by 12 is fraction. 7 5 by 12, 3 1 by 2, 7 1 by 3, 9 6 over 7. These are called mixed fractions. And one value is called unit fraction 10 by 10, which have same numerator and same denominator. You will like this in these jars. When you will write proper fraction, you will write 5 by 12, 5 by 12, then 5 by 15, 5 by 15, then 2 by 5, 2 by 5, then you will write 1 by 3 and 1 over 9 in proper fractions. And in improper fractions, you will write 16 over 7. In unit fraction, you will write only one value, 10 divided by 10. And in mixed fraction jar, you will write four values, 7, 5 over 12, 3 1 by 2, 7 5 over 12, 3 1 by 2, then 7 1 by 3, then 9 6 over 7, 9 6 over 7. You will write like this in these jars, and this first exercise will be completed. Now we will solve the next exercise in the next lesson. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.